everyone on the boat. And Dude, of course. Can't forget Dude. We are at Cape Keraudren and I was a little bit slow this morning, so we're launching on really quite a low tide. There's a little bit of a gamble going on. There's a bit of a channel out here, so if we can get her in, we shouldn't have any dramas, but fingers crossed, wish us luck. So attempt 1 was a failure. We've had to pull the boat back on to the trailer, but while we're off, we discovered all these cool little sea slugs just sitting around in here in the rock pool. Attempt 2, we're going to try further over, where we think we'll drop straight into the tunnel. We'll see. There's this big manta ray just swimming along the surface. He's so cool. Look at the size of this jellyfish. Port Hedland's pollution is feeding them well, I reckon.
I think that's a whale shark on the sounder.
We saw something massive in the water. I've been just hanging out waiting for him to hopefully come and approach us. And it seems he's just under us, so hopefully he'll come up nearby. You can't see it real well from here. I'll try and zoom in. He's got this amazing paddle tail.
Hello, turtle.
There's our camp spot just up there. And then this is the bay. Looking bloody spectacular. And Dude just living his best life. Hi, Dude. Well, it's our second day heading out from Cape Keraudren. It's another gorgeous day, although a little bit more wind today. We had much more success launching the boat because we got up earlier. Well, I got myself sorted earlier and headed out. Just waiting for Ben to come back from parking the truck. But really hopeful of some fishies today. Whenever I launch and take the boat out and Ben goes and parks the truck, Dude stands like this and whinges until Ben comes back. Ben is having the most epic battle.
Oh, I'm on, and this guy is working me hard. Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's huge!
And he just takes line off me whenever he wants. And I think I've finally got it.
1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0.
I can't lift him either!
Oh. Oh.
Come on! There we go!
Oh. Oh.
You!
Yeah!
Good work!
Oh, that is a good fish!
Yes, that is sport right there!
Oh,
Woo!
oh man! Oh.
Alright. This is one heavy fish when you struggle to lift.
That's, I don't know whether you measure the fork of the tail or the end, but that's 88 centimeters, 87 centimeters to the fork of the tail. Oh Jesus, I can't lift him. He's going back in the water.
Okay.
See you, buddy.
Bye. Look at this monster Ben just caught.
Check him out.
Dude, you're in the way of the fish. Come on. He's so big. That's what she said. He is on again.
Oh, what a fish. What a session. What a day.
We have been waiting for a day like this.
Oh,
finally.
And this fish has got some power. Holy shit.
These are wild to catch, like watching them.
He just did his run and took like 50 meters of line off me in seconds. Oh,
So cool.
Jesus.
Come on, fishy, get in the boat. And dude's just so curious. I think that might be a bonito.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I think it is, yeah.
God, I'm good at this. Dude is, of course, interested. He has tasted bonito before. We won't keep this fella either.
Oh, the fish are just on the tube.
It is another bonito. So again, won't keep him, but exciting. We've had, what, 4 on the hook and 3 in the boat in 15 minutes. So good.
Wow.
You can do it. You can do it. Look at this GT. No wonder they call him Sportfish. He is nailing Ben.
Come on, buddy.
Get in the boat, buddy.
Oh, listen to that run.
Bye, fishy. Thanks for coming past. Ah. I don't think he's a GT.
You don't think so?
No, he's not fighting hard enough.
Bonito! Where's the net? Where's the net?
That's mad.
No, that's the GT chasing him. Oh, we lost it.
This is no good.
Oh man, we've got some great fish in the boat today, but we've really paid the price with gear.
Yeah. And that fella was at the boat and just got away, snapped my line.
Bron did really well to get that to the boat though. Like 30 pound mono, a very light rod.
On again. It is Ben's day. Just another big bonito for Ben for the day.
Right, this school of fish, and look at these birds, just amazing.
Absolutely cutting sick.
Bron's gonna get us in there. We'll see if we can get something on the lure again. Did you just yield?
I did, and that was meant to be ironic, but now I'm a dickhead who used. Ben's day is definitely a thing now. It's winning for us. Oh, look at that rod just bent in bloody half.
Look at that fish. What is it?
I have never seen anything like that on a sounder.
Under the sun.
There's just fish busting up everywhere today. It's the coolest thing. The ocean is absolutely alive this last couple of days. We've clearly got the tide right. How long does it take you to hook up after you dropped your jig in there, Ben?
Oh, like a second, not even.
And we lost the last lure because it
Had a tangle at the tip of my rod. I dropped this jig in. The second I twitched it off the bottom, it got hit by this giant. Oh.
This is like Ben's 7th GT today.
Oh man, and these fish are brutal.
He's fish 7, GT5, or 7, I think it's 7.
We've lost count.
We've lost count, that's how good it is.
There's so many.
So many, and because the sounder is still showing we're on a friggin' super highway of fish. It's amazing. This is the daydreams are made of.
I don't want to fish anymore, I'm tired. I'm really friggin' tired.
But you can't stop now!
Yes!
No!
Watch the motor, watch the motor. Yes! Oh, go, Bron. Let me get this right out of the way. Go, Bron, go.
I'm already tired. Oh.
Oh, what a fish. What a day.
No, wrong way, fishy.
Dude's excited, aren't you, dude? These GTs are really interesting. When you start bringing one up, all their mates swirl and crowd around them, and I keep thinking they're about to get sharked, but it's just their mates hanging out with them. Don't lose the rod, please. Yeah.
Fuck you, fish.
These GTs are amazing. They just pull line whenever they feel like it, hey?
You think you've got them, and then they're just like, no.
Yeah. You get them up to the boat, you think they're cooked, and then they just explode and pull another 15 meters of line off you. Crushes your soul.
Gotta be careful which hole this fucking thing sits in.
Oh, I see colour. I see colour. All right, I'm gonna get the net ready.
Get him.
Yes! Hoi! Woo! Oh,
Woo!
high five!
Ah!
Good work, Trouble.
Oh, now say I've caught a GT, and I don't want to catch another one.
Oh.
This is obscene.
Bye, fishy. You were funny. Or fun. Check out this manta ray. He's chasing all these fish as well. Oh my god, this place is just amazing. Look at those fish going for it. Wow.
It's so beautiful. See that? Going for a little change of pace and come into just this little reefy area near the cliff here and using some bait. Got this little brim so far, and we'll see what else jumps up.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's so nice. It's so up here as well. We have masks first, so we can't actually stop them.
Yeah, it looks just in this beautiful little bay.
Like that.
Little baby manta ray.
Yay! Stay away from those sharks, buddy.
This little bay here at Cape Keraudren is just alive with all kinds of animal life. That dark bit there is a shovel-nosed shark, we think. Just racing off into the distance now.